what are the reasons why people to hire lawyers? The first reason is business. Every person, when he reaches some age, he becomes independent and wants to become a businessman. So, from a status of an entrepreneur, you come to a status of a businessman, and there is a question of how to establish your business in an adequate and legal way, as this is the foundations based on which our business either may prosper or actually become dangerous or become of no relevance. Therefore, the reason of business, this is the first concern. And from the legal point of view, it's important to structure and design your business in an adequate way. The second reason is your urban development. So, construction planning. We are human beings and we all need to register our real estate in a proper way. And we all have some real estate. And even when we use some agencies, this is our concern. So the next reason is family matters, some accidents, casualties. And when something bad happens, or some conflicts, both from the point of view of the documents, or I don't actually like it, but we have it when there are some grievances. But how to deal with it if you have no knowledge? And when you have the support of a lawyer, and there are a lot of people who actually relieved their burden when they hired a professional who, at court trial, managed to win the case or resolve the issue. Because independently, without the knowledge, you may not deal or resolve the issue, very complicated one. You need a professional with the experience. You need the one who many times has dealt with such issues, and only such a professional may find different ways to resolve it. A solution for everyone, so that everyone gets support. There should be the individual lawyer and the defense counsel. And therefore, we may hire a lawyer for the company or even a team of lawyers so that they continuously monitor the legal aspects of the business operations, in particular if there are affiliates or branches in other countries. In terms of individuals, we all, as ordinary customers, it's much more difficult. And the solution is here. This is an opportunity which is accessible to everyone at the high quality level everyone would like to have. Next slide, please. And this is the level of quality of knowledge from the point of view of experience and knowledge. And this is a legal policy as an electronic document that gives a chance to its holder to get a full range of legal and counseling services within a period of effect of the policy. So the project will be promoted in a way that it is available to everyone 24/7. with your access to the knowledge hub, to the experience and lawyers and defense counsel and legal services required by a person in any situation. And we apply here breakthrough artificial technologies, AI technologies, and other business methodologies. I will detail them a bit later as our specialists improve them in a continuous way and we find new opportunities so that you feel most comfortable while working with it, while selling, so that you can easily sell and use this product. Our domains of competence. So, civil, family, land, and administrative law, employment disputes, investment citizenship matters, and AML policy development and franchise law. So, legal liability insurance of legal advisors and step by step counseling to establish a company abroad or in CIS member states. Here, you simply need to make a phone call and you will get a full plan of how to behave so that in a legal way and within the short time possible, in a cost efficient way, you can go through all the processes so that your business prosper, including abroad. And here there will be another technology applied we work with, and this is the first robotized legal advisor for people. We called him Sirius, artificial intelligence, and it will enable you to get the information you need by asking a question. Now, this is machine and it is being trained and it can answer over 3,500 questions and daily it is developed further and it can support you any moment and its global goal and mission is, so our goal is to develop a digital expert that after analyzing the data and queries received before, it will generate replies in line with the legal logics. So by replacing a team of highly qualified lawyers, I would even say not by replacing, but by helping our lawyers in anticipation of your seeking their advice, it will be able to answer some repeat questions because for the majority of people our concerns are more or less the same and it can optimize this and service many people, and if it's not enough then he may redirect you to the call center. Next slide, please. Well, here you see that our benefits are 24/7 online support in any corner of the world, different packs and varieties of services from our best lawyers and attorneys, and in any time within the shortest time of your queries processing. So we offer the quality onto the market, which is today better. So there is no one else, only our team can offer this high class quality. Our partners, Dilettante Island Company, they have a team of specialists with over 10 years of experience in serving major customers across the globe, having extensive expertise in setting up businesses in over 50 states, and gradually starting from Russia, Kazakhstan, Ukraine, and Belarus, we will open other countries, and in another 1-2 years we plan to open our top 10 in our community and work with private companies and corporate clients. And therefore, when you come to us seeking legal advice, you could be confident that our lawyers are of high standard, and in our professional community they are well recognized. If you Google the name of this company, you will see the merits of this company, what they already reached, and the recognition our partners have in their area. Next slide, please. Well, the tariffs. The product is ready. Quite soon it will be announced. And now we have several tariffs that include different packages of services: standard, business advisor, business premium, global business. Next slide, please. Well, here the best and the strongest points of us. So you may take a phone and tell any person that 24/7 we have 24 lawyers, specialists with good expertise and experience may advise you on any matter you may have. And availability will be very easy. Our even Sirius, you can show it how it operates to your friends, and friends will say how interesting it is. We want to try it, as we apply cost efficient pricing. So look, if you understand the method of pricing, they include many things. Whereas here, so we pay extra. Whereas here, first of all, we get the comprehensive work done, and we understand that the comprehensive work can make us the services better, and we may save time on resolving your matters. You don't need to look for a specialist, get some recommendations. Generally, we phone a friend describing the situation, asking them to recommend someone, and he says, look, I dealt with one lawyer, but he was in a different sector, but maybe he will help you. And when we contact a lawyer and ask a question, then we found out that the lawyer has never done it. I personally had some issues with the utilities, and a lawyer who was recommended, he was recommended as a good lawyer, but he has never dealt with utilities sector, and this story is unknown to him, and I had to find another guy. And this time spent on finding the lawyer and on finding the best way to resolve my issues, it is time consuming. Whereas these professionals and their accessibility is something unmeasurable. Well, and we've said that the coverage is very broad. There are a lot of areas, countries to be covered, and in addition to that, here we have an extensive scope of activities. And everything you may encounter, our lawyers can help you. And then there is this possibility to streamline and to optimize the services. So if we develop further, we may expand the team of our lawyers, but it's not the goal for the time being. If in every country we have a team of, to say, 25 lawyers, it will be enough. And most importantly, that these lawyers are professionals and representing different sectors. And the use of AI powered technology will speed up this service, and we are always nearby 24/7. This is the tool no one offers, and we are very unique in our product.